Hey y'all! If you want to see how I create this super moisturizing rice water co-wash, definitely stay tuned to this video to get your hair growth poppin'. Of course, you're going to need rice water. Rice water is the main ingredient. I have an entire video on how I make rice water and the benefits of rice water, so definitely check it out. You, of course, don't have to use rice water. You can use another mixing medium, but I use rice water because it's really helped me on my hair growth journey. So you're going to need 4 ounces of rice water, and I use a strainer just to make sure the rice bits don't get all up in my hair, so make sure you do that. 1 tablespoon of coconut milk powder. You don't have to use coconut milk powder. You can use coconut milk instead of the rice water and the coconut milk powder. I mean, you can really make this recipe your own, but this is the recipe I've been doing and loving. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. Of course, you can use black soap. I use 1 tablespoon. You can use less or use more depending on how cleansing you want your co-wash to be. I'm also going in with 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and this is what makes the co-wash super moisturizing. Glycerin is a humectant. It draws moisture into your hair. And of course, I'm always raggedy and my cup was too small, so I just placed it into a bigger container just to be able to mix it and get it going really well. And I'm using a handheld mini mixer, super convenient, super cheap. I will link it down below, but of course you can use a regular whisk or a spoon or a fork or whatever. And this is what the consistency is looking like right now. You can leave it just as it is, but I don't like shit running down my back, so I want to thicken it up, and I'll be using guar gum to do so. So I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of guar gum, and I'm going to mix that in with some oil. I'm using my herbal oil, and what that does is it emulsifies the guar gum into the oil so that it doesn't create lumps into your liquid mixture. I mean, it's not really rocket science. I don't know, it's like simple chemistry, I guess. So that's the consistency that it looks like. And I just pour it in. Again, this step is completely optional, but for me and my household, we don't like things dripping down our back. So do whatever works for you and yours. So of course, I'm just decanting the mixture into a bottle. I reuse my old bottle, so it's just like probably an old Shea Moisture bottle or something like that. And I just apply the mixture. You can see how nice and creamy it is. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. It's a perfect co-wash consistency, and this is what it looks like. It looks all nice. All I gotta do is put a label on it, right? It's beautiful, and it actually works really good in the hair. And this is the consistency. It literally looks like a product you would buy on the shelf. It's few simple ingredients, but it's really effective and really has helped my hair to thrive over the last few months. And this is what my hair looks like. I do have a pre-poo. I rinsed out my pre-poo, but I will link it above, and that's what my hair was looking like before I go in with the co-wash. This video is actually maybe like 2 months old, so my hair has even grown more since then, using rice water, using the co-wash, using other hair growth products. So my hair is really thriving because of this new regimen. This product does have a lather, but it's a very soft lather. It's a perfect lather for me. Again, if you want more lather, you can go in with more Castile soap or more black soap, whatever soap you want to use. But this is the perfect amount for me to create that moisture cleansing balance, not too moisturizing, not too cleansing. So this is perfect for me. And then I go in with my shampoo brush just to get on my scalp and further help with the hair growth. You can also, of course, add essential oil or fragrance oil, but because I add essential oils to my rice water, I didn't find the need to add essential oils, but you can add additional essential oils if you feel like you need to. So it's really up to you. My hair has really thickened up over the last few months using rice water. It's kind of crazy. Sometimes I don't really believe this is my head of hair. It's almost unbelievable. So now I'm just rinsing out the co-wash, and I just do 1 cleanse. I find that's all I need. My hair is never super dirty unless I use a whole bunch of gel for a wash and go. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. It's nice, clean, cleansed, and moisturized, ready for the next step in my wash day. I will definitely have an updated wash day coming, as well as a video on my modified maximum hydration method. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you plan to make this co-wash. And yeah, let's chat down below as always. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.